The Fiat 500e is an all-electric version of the iconic Fiat 500, a small city car known for its retro-inspired design and compact size. Here are some key details about the Fiat 500e. Design. Exterior. The Fiat 500e retains the classic styling of the traditional Fiat 500, featuring a rounded shape, distinctive front grille, and circular headlights. Interior. Inside, the Fiat 500e offers a blend of modern technology and retro charm. Performance. Electric powertrain. The Fiat 500e is powered by an electric motor, providing smooth and instant torque for a peppy driving experience. It usually comes with a lithium-ion battery pack, offering a balance of performance and efficiency suitable for city driving. Range and charging. The range of the Fiat 500e can vary by model year and battery capacity, but it is generally designed for urban commuting and short trips. Technology. Infotainment system. The 500e is equipped with a modern infotainment system, featuring a touchscreen display with smartphone integration, such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and connectivity options like Bluetooth and USB ports. Driver assistance features. Depending on the model year and trim level, the 500e may include various driver assistance features such as rear-view cameras, parking sensors, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Efficiency and sustainability. Environmental impact. As an all-electric vehicle, the Fiat 500e produces zero tailpipe emissions, contributing to reduced air pollution and lower carbon footprint compared to traditional gasoline-powered cars. Energy efficiency. The compact size and lightweight design of the 500e enhance its energy efficiency, making it an ideal choice for urban environments where maneuverability and ease of parking are crucial. Market position and availability. Target market. The Fiat 500e is aimed at environmentally conscious urban dwellers looking for a stylish and efficient electric vehicle. Its compact dimensions and distinctive design appeal to those seeking a practical yet fashionable city car. Availability. The availability of the Fiat 500e can vary by region and market. It has been sold in various countries, including the United States and Europe, often in limited quantities compared to more mainstream models. Notable models and updates. Original 500e, 2013. The first generation of the Fiat 500e was introduced in 2013, offering an electric alternative to the popular Fiat 500. New 500 electric, 2020. Fiat launched a new generation of the electric 500 in 2020, featuring updated design, improved technology, and enhanced performance. The new model includes a larger battery option, offering greater range and faster charging capabilities. The Fiat 500e is a testament to Fiat's commitment to sustainable mobility, combining the brand's signature style with the benefits of electric driving.